You like horses? Do y'all like horses? Well, so do I. And when I was a little girl, I used to think, oh, how fun it would be to get on a horse and just ride and ride and ride. When I was about 9 or 10 years old, I went to summer camp. And I signed up for horseback riding. And I was so excited. I said, oh good, I'm going to get to learn how to ride a horse. Well, I went to the class the first day, and they told us all about how to saddle the horse and how to do everything. But they said, we're not going to ride until tomorrow. And I was so disappointed. I wanted to get on that horse so bad. So the next day I came again, and they said, okay, we're going to get on the horses. And I got one of the biggest horses. And that made me a little scared. But I said, okay. And so I got on the horse, and we went down the road, and we were riding, and everything was going really good. And then it started to rain. And horses don't like rain. And so the lady that was teaching the class said, she said, okay, hold on to the horse as tight as you can and just ride back, because the horse will run back to the fence. We said, okay. So I hung on for dear life, and that horse just took off. And we got back, and the horse stopped really fast. And I dodged a tree, and I fell off. And I tried really hard to be brave and not to cry. But I cried anyway. And the next day we went back, and I saw this little horse, and I said, I want to ride that horse today. She said, nope. She said, you got to get back on the same horse. And I got back on that horse, and I was just shaking. And every day that week, she made me come back, and she made me get back on that same horse, and I just shook all the time, every day. She said, no, you got to learn not to be scared. And I didn't even want to get on the horse, but she made me. And you know, I love horses now. And I still have to say sometimes to myself, okay, you're not going to be scared, you're going to get on the horse. But I always get on. And God always helps me not to be scared of horses. And you know, sometimes there's things we don't like to do, but we have to do them anyway. Sometimes when your mommy says, eat your vegetables, and you don't want to eat your vegetables, but you know it's good for you, you got to eat them anyway. And we just say, dear Jesus, help me to eat this and help me to like it. And it gets better. You can all go back to your seats now.